Hey, it's Alex. In this video, I'm going to show you how to spot and eliminate the hidden waste that's draining your profits and slowing your growth. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to apply lean manufacturing principles in your business, no matter the industry, to create smoother operations, cut costs, and boost productivity. What this means for your business is that you'll be able to do more with less, more output, more profit, and more time back in your day, without burning out your team or throwing money at unnecessary systems. And stick around till the end because I've got something very special that I'd like to offer you. Something that'll help you apply these principles inside your business step by step. So you tired of seeing resources go to waste in your business? Well, you're not alone. Every business owner I've spoken to, from retailers to manufacturers to service providers, face the same frustration. Inefficiencies that quietly drain profits. It's not always the big, obvious problems. Often, it's the small daily actions, the double handling, the waiting, the over-ordering, the "we've always done it this way" habits that slowly bleed your business dry. Well, the good news is that there's a proven approach to fix this. It's called lean manufacturing. And despite the name, it's not just for factories. It's a mindset that focuses on one thing: maximizing value for your customers while minimizing waste in your operations. When you start seeing your business through this lens, you'll uncover opportunities to work smarter, not harder. And that's where the growth really happens. To start eliminating waste, you'll first need to understand what it looks like. Lean identifies 7 key aspects of waste in nearly every business. So let's walk through them. Overproduction, making or buying more than you actually need. Think about printing 1,000 brochures when you only need 200. That's money just sitting idle. Waiting, when people or processes sit idle because something's delayed, like materials, approvals, or decisions. It's lost time you never get back. Defects, errors, rework, or returns. Every time you fix a mistake, it costs time, money, and customer trust. Transportation, the unnecessary movement of materials, products, or even digital files between systems that adds no value. Inventory, stockpiling too much of anything, products, parts, or supplies, ties up cash and can lead to waste when items become obsolete. Motion, extra steps your team takes because things aren't organized efficiently. So picture someone walking back and forth across the warehouse for labels. Overprocessing, doing more work than the customer actually values, like overcomplicating reports or adding unnecessary features. Once you start identifying these in your operations, you'll begin to see how much hidden waste is actually holding you back. So how do you fix it? You apply these 5 key principles of lean manufacturing. Number 1 is value. Understand what your customer actually values, not what you think they do. This keeps your team focused on what matters most. Value stream. Map out every step involved in delivering that value. From order to delivery, identify what adds value and what doesn't. Flow. Eliminate bottlenecks so work moves through your business. This could mean rearranging your workspace, simplifying approvals, or automating repetitive tasks. Pull. Produce only what's needed when it's needed. This reduces overproduction and excess inventory. Perfection. This isn't just a one-time project. It's a continuous improvement mindset. You'll always be looking for better, faster, simpler ways to serve your customers. These principles apply whether you're running a workshop, an e-commerce store, or even a service-based business. So let's look at how this plays out in real life. Take Toyota, for example. They developed the Toyota production system, the foundation of lean manufacturing. By focusing on eliminating waste and improving flow, Toyota drastically reduced production time while improving quality, turning them into a global leader. But it's not just corporations. I recently worked with a small manufacturer that struggled with consistent stockouts and over-ordering. By mapping their value stream and switching to a pool-based system, they cut their excess stock by 35% in just 60 days, freeing up thousands in cash flow. Even service-based businesses are applying these principles. A software company implemented agile workflows rooted in lean thinking and saw a 50% drop in rework and a huge boost in customer satisfaction. The point is, lean works anywhere there's a process, and every business has a process. So how can you start applying lean in your own business? Here's a simple, actionable approach. Identify one key process that feels inefficient. Maybe your ordering, your warehouse flow, or your client onboarding. Map it out visually. Write every step from start to finish. Then mark which step adds value and which ones don't. Eliminate the waste. Simplify or remove anything that doesn't contribute directly to the outcome of your customer values. Standardize the new process. Make it the new normal for your team. Review and improve. Every week, ask your team what's slowing them down and how to fix it. And that's it. Continuous improvement doesn't mean massive overhauls. It means small, smart changes that compound into major results. What this means for your business is freedom. Freedom from the stress of inefficiency, freedom from wasted cash, and freedom to focus on growth. When you operate lean, your business becomes more resilient, you adapt faster, respond better to demand changes, and protect your margins. It's not about cutting costs for the sake of it. It's about building a smarter, stronger business that delivers more value with less friction. So let's recap. You've learned how waste creeps into your business, the 7 types to look out for, and the 5 lean principles that can help transform your operations. So here's the next step. Start small. Pick one process this week, map it out, and find one type of waste that you can remove. That single action will set you on the path toward lean success. And as I promised at the start, here's that something special I've got for you. If you're serious about growing your profits and cutting costs, and you want a proven system to do it, click the link in the description to learn more about our 90-day profit growth journey. It's our step-by-step roadmap to take control of your inventory, simplify your operations, and start seeing results or your money back guaranteed. Right now, we're offering a special discounted price for the next 50 members, so be sure to check it out if you want to grow your profits and cut costs for your business risk-free. All you need to do is click the link in the description below to learn more. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and like on the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.